Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our PDPR session with Teacher Hazi. Inshallah, for today's topic, we are going to learn about the animal sounds. A cat meows. A dog woofs. A bee buzzes. A bird chirps. A chicken clucks. A hamster squeaks. A dog quacks. A cow moves. A sheep bleats. A lion roars. A monkey chatters. A horse neighs. That's it for today. I hope you will enjoy this video and don't forget to do the activity on the link given. Till then, happy learning. See you next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.